Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to convert image into a PDF file on your iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, what you need to do is you have to go to the Photos app and select the image that you wanted to do the conversion. So I'm going to convert this particular image over here. So once you select the image, you have to tap at the bottom. Now from here, you have to scroll down over here like this and navigate to Save to Files. You have to tap on it, and now that's going to take you to this. And from here you have to select the folder that you wanted to save it. So I'll go back. Now I'm trying to save this on the folder over here called Downloads, and I'll go to the Save. Now this particular image is being saved over here, so I'll go to the Files, and if I go to the Downloads here, if I go back onto the Downloads, we can see this is the image which I did. Now what I need to do is I just need to go to the image. This is the image, so I have to just press and hold like this. Now from here, what you need to do is you have to scroll it down like this, and now there is an option called Quick Action. You have to tap on it, and now there is an option called Create PDF. So you have to tap on this one. So as you can see, a PDF is being generated here. So if I try to open this, as you can see, this will be a PDF. And this image that I created right now is in a PDF kind of thing. So this is how we can create easily without using any other party app. This is how we can do this. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye.